Thinking about joining your partner in the UK, but overwhelmed by confusing rules and rising costs? You're not alone. In this video, we will not only reveal 9 essential tips to ensure your UK partner visa has the best chance of approval, but we will also reveal a crucial bonus tip to help you secure a positive outcome. The partner or spouse visa is one of the most common and misunderstood UK immigration routes. To apply for a UK partner or spouse visa, both you and your partner must be 18 years or older, and your partner must also fall under one of the following categories: a British or Irish citizen, someone with settled status in the UK, such as indefinite leave to remain, i.e. ILR, a person from the EU, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland, or Liechtenstein with pre-settled status under the EU settlement scheme, a holder of a Turkish business person or Turkish worker visa, someone with protection status, such as a refugee or someone granted humanitarian protection, or someone with permission to stay in the UK as a stateless person. And importantly, you and your partner must intend to live together permanently in the UK. If your partner has pre-settled or settled status, you might also qualify under the free EU settlement scheme. But be aware that route is separate and has its own deadlines and rules. When applying for a partner or spouse visa, you'll need to prove your relationship is genuine and recognized in the UK. There are 4 main ways you can qualify. You're married or in a civil partnership that's legally recognized in the UK. You've lived together for at least 2 years before applying. You're engaged or planning a civil partnership within 6 months of arriving. You've been in a relationship for at least 2 years, but haven't lived together due to circumstances like cultural norms, long-distance work or study. You'll also need to meet 2 key requirements: English language ability and financial stability. When applying for a partner or spouse visa, this is where it can get a bit tricky. Let's talk about documents. Here's the kind of evidence you need to provide to prove your relationship is genuine: marriage or civil partnership certificate, if applicable, tenancy agreements or mortgage documents showing you live at the same address, utility bills or council tax letters in both your names, joint bank statements or financial transactions showing shared expenses, letters from healthcare providers like GPs or dentists, confirming you're registered at the same address, travel records or photos from holidays together, screenshots of ongoing messages and call logs if you live apart, evidence of financial support between partners, especially in long-distance situations. Pro tip: use official documents from banks, government departments, landlords or medical professionals. These carry more weight than casual evidence like social media screenshots. If you're engaged and applying for a fiancé or fiancée visa, you'll also need to prove that any previous marriages or civil partnerships have legally ended and that you intend to marry within 6 months of entering the UK. When applying for a partner or spouse visa, the length of time you can stay in the UK depends on the type of visa you apply for. With a partner or spouse visa, you can stay for 2 years and 9 months. With a fiancé, fiancée, or proposed civil partner visa, you can stay for 6 months. After that initial period, you'll need to apply for an extension. If you extend your stay or switch to a partner visa while inside the UK, you'll get an additional 2 years and 6 months. Now, let's talk money. As of April 2024, the minimum income requirement for a partner or spouse visa has increased. You and your partner now need to prove a combined annual income of at least £29,000. If you're relying on savings instead of income, you'll usually need at least £88,500 in cash savings, held for at least 6 months. However, there are some exceptions. For example, if your partner receives certain disability benefits or carers allowances, or if you first applied as a partner before the 11th of April 2024 and are applying for an extension. Proof of income could include payslips, bank statements, P60s, employment contracts or accountant letters for self-employed applicants. We hope you're still watching because this is crucial information you need to know before making an application. If you are, stick around until the end, And we will not only reveal the other essential tips to ensure your UK partner visa is approved, but we will also reveal the crucial bonus tip to give you the best chance of securing a positive outcome. So, how long does it all take? When applying for a partner or spouse visa, if you're applying from outside the UK, you'll usually get a decision within 12 weeks. If you apply from inside the UK and meet both the financial and English language requirements, you'll typically get a decision within 8 weeks. If you don't meet those requirements, it may take up to 12 months. Alternatively, you can pay for faster processing with optional priority services, depending on availability. You can include your children in your partner or spouse visa application, but only if they're under 18 or were under 18 when they were first granted leave, and they're not living an independent life. That means they shouldn't be married, working full-time, or living on their own. Once you've lived in the UK continuously for 5 years on a partner visa, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain, also known as permanent settlement. But time spent in the UK as a fiancé or proposed civil partner doesn't count toward the 5-year requirement. Let's quickly tackle some common objections we hear from clients.
I'll get around to it later.
Unfortunately, visa rules and prices change all the time, and not in your favor. The sooner you apply, the better.
The costs are just too high right now.
We get it. But there are payment plans, fee waiver options if you're on a low income, and long-term cost savings when applying early.
I can fill out the forms myself.
That's true, but simple mistakes or missing evidence lead to refusals. A rejected application means lost time and money.
It can wait.
We wouldn't recommend it. Start early, gather your documents, and be ready when the time comes. So there you have it, our 9 essential tips to ensure your UK partner visa has the best chance of approval. But as promised, we will now reveal the crucial bonus tip to give you the best chance of securing a positive outcome. At Compass Immigration Law Limited, we offer 4 core services to make your journey easier. General advice. We provide expert guidance on requirements and evidence. Form filling to assist with completing the application form. Application checking. We'll review the application you have prepared prior to submitting. Full application package, where we provide all of the above and more. Our experienced immigration team is based in Bolton, but we help clients across the UK and internationally. If you're serious about joining your loved one in the UK, don't take chances. Let us guide you through every step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates on the latest UK immigration advice. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help you navigate the complexities of UK immigration law. If you've got 7 minutes, check out the suggested video on screen now regarding 7 crucial mistakes you should avoid in your UK immigration application. Thanks for watching and good luck with your application. See you in the next video.